Hello, everyone. My name is Cheeky. Today we will learn few sentences used in our daily conversation. Mom, why do I always have to eat these veggies? Can't I just eat chocolates every day?
Cheeky, chocolates are yummy for your tongue, but not for your tummy. If you eat only chocolates, you'll feel sleepy and weak.
Like this? Oh, I can't even lift my spoon.
Yes, just like that. But when you eat your healthy food, your body gets strong, your brain gets sharp, and you feel full of energy.
Energy? Like zoom zoom, super fast energy.
Exactly. Rice and bread give you running energy, milk makes your bones strong, and fruits keep you fresh like sunshine.
And carrots?
Carrots are like little torches for your eyes. They help you see even in the dark.
Wow! That means I'll be able to find my toys at night without a flashlight?
Maybe not at night, my silly Cheeky, but they'll make your eyes super healthy.
So, my plate is full of superheroes. Rice the runner, milk the bone builder, carrots the eye torches, and fruits the fresh friends?
Perfect. Every bite is like inviting a hero into your body.
Then I want to eat all my superheroes and become super cheeky.
That's my smart baby. Now, let's eat together and grow healthy, happy, and strong.
Okay, Mom. But after eating, can I have one chocolate hero too?
Yes, after your meal, one little chocolate hero is allowed.
Yay! Time to eat. Munch, munch, munch.